Hello guys, today we are going to do a good analysis for high chance of winning collector score. Yesterday we won a single games, guys. Getafe, we won Getafe 2-1. The odds was 16 odds. So I'm sure that even today we are going to make a profit about a single games, guys. Okay, today we have 4 games. We are doing a good analysis. Okay, high chance of winning for collective score. So we need to know that how can we get a collective score, but we need to do analytics, deep analytics. Okay, so stay tuned and I'm sure that you will be making more profit about this analysis for collective score. Okay, today game we have Atalanta versus Cagliari. The game, another one we have this one, Osasuna versus Real Madrid. This is the second. Another one we have Monaco versus Nantes. This one. And another one we have PSG. Okay, we have Toulouse versus PSG. This one, 4 games. We are going to analyze this match and to know how will end a collective score, result score for these 4 matches. Okay, so just relax your brain, just listen to me careful. I'm going to do analysis about these games. Okay, let me start with Madrid, this game. Okay, this game is very tough game, but away team have a strong attacking and a strong defending. Okay, so I'm sure that this match can end at 2-0 for away team or 2-1 for home team. But for me, I have a one choice. Okay, one choice. I'm going to predict 2-0 for away team. Madrid will win a 2-0. Let us find the, you see, 2. This is very hard for very high odds for over 0.5, but can happen. Okay, for me, my analysis to predict 2-0. You see, the odds have 8.20. Okay, 2-0. This is a game number 1 because Real Madrid have a quality, strong players. Madrid, the players from Madrid can score very fast, quickly. Okay, so this is a number 1 for today. Guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click the icon bell. That will be the first to get my notification. Whenever I post a video, you will be the first one to get it. Okay, let us start with number 2. Here we have Monaco versus Nantes. Okay, Monaco versus Nantes. You see this match, Monaco is very good. Monaco were winning many games against Nantes. So we need to know that this match have opportunity for Monaco to score 2 goals. Have opportunity to score 2 goals. This away is very high odds when you predict to have a 1 goal for away team, but Monaco can win this match with a clean sheet. Okay, can win this match with a clean sheet. So here we are going to predict a 2-0. Let us find a 2-0. This is my analysis, guys. So even you can find your self-analysis to make sure that if you look at this game, you must be careful about your analysis. Okay, anything can happen because of football, but we are doing analysis. Okay, it's a prediction. 2-0, the odds have 8.10. Let me inform you something. 2-0, 1-0, if you see the odds over 8 or over 5 odds, it means that match is very good, because they are putting the odds that you cannot expect that game to win, okay, to happen. So I need you to understand that. So this is a very good odds, okay, for 2-0. Another one here, we are looking for PSG. Okay, let us look at PSG. PSG here, as you can see, Toulouse have at home, but Toulouse, if as at home, is very strong. But PSG have a very powerful quality, have a good attacking style of players, but many games PSG has not get a clean sheet. So this match, I'm sure that Toulouse will score at least a 1 goal for PSG, but the total full time, the collective score will be 2-1. Let us look. This one is very high for over 0.5, but today for this game, because of style of players for PSG will concede 1 goal. Let me find the 2-0 have a 1.553. Yes, that's very good. So this match we are going to predict a 2-1. Let us look collect score section. We are going to predict a 2-1. We are going to predict a 2-1. Okay, let us see. 2-1 have a 8.20 odds. It's very good odds for 2-1. But yesterday I chose the match like this 2-1 for away team, but the odds was high. Okay, 16 odds, but game won. So we need to know that the odds, it's depending with the quality of that team. Okay, quality of that match. Let us look another one, which is the last PSG already, Monaco already, Madrid already, and which one? I forgot which one. PSG 1, Monaco 2, Real Madrid 3, Atalanta, okay, this match Atalanta have a good quality to attack, has won many games for Cagliari, but I need you to understand that this match will happen a 2-0. Let us look 2-0 because of something. You see, away team have a 1.61. It's very hard for over 0.5, but sometimes it happen. Away team might score a 1 goal, but we must be careful about this analysis. Okay, so first of all, just believe that you are doing. First of all, just believe that you are doing, and it will give you a good results. Okay, so here we are going to predict a 2-0. So only one game have a 2-1 with both them to score. Okay, you see 2-0 have a 7.50. Okay, 2-0 for Atalanta. I'm sure that Atalanta will score a 2-0, but anything can happen for football. As I told you, I'm using analysis. Okay, this is the analysis. We are doing analysis to know how that can happen for that match. Okay, we are looking at a plausibility. So I need you to understand that this match, all these 4 games, if you find a single games here, you may try, you may get a profit, but you need to be careful about this because it's very high odds, and collect score is very hard to predict. It's very hard to predict. So just relax your brain, just use your analytics to make a win. Okay, stake money that you can afford to lose. Okay, because this is a prediction. Okay, this is a prediction, is not a fixed. This is a prediction. Prediction, it comes with you are doing a good analytics. You will get a good results. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click the icon bell. That will be the first to get my notification. Whenever I post a video, you'll be the first one to get it. Thank you so much.